In daily life, fire, poisoning, stealing always threatens the safety of people and society. On average, more than 10,000 fires occur every day in the world, causing tens of billions of direct economic losses each year. Guarding the life, guarding the family, guarding the people's safety. ANKA, innovative technology, creating a safe life. ANKA, established in 2007, is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the fire alarm systems, safety alarm system, and smart home systems. Committed to providing accurate and reliable security products to users around the world, with scientific wisdom becoming a leader and communicator of world security products. ANKA uses industry-leading technology solutions for every product, adhering to the combination of innovation and simplicity, high-quality and humanized design concepts, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, gas detector, and wireless smart detector, Wi-Fi, Zigbee, NB-IoT, RF433868, interconnected smoke detector, and smart home system, fire alarm system, and anti-theft alarm system. ANKA has obtained EN 14604 certification, AS 3786 certification, ISO 9001 certification, UL 207, UL 2034 certification. Leading technology, high quality, humanized, international standards are the unrelenting pursuit of ANKA. ANKA introduces international advanced technology and quality control systems to ensure high performance and high reliability for their products. ANKA series products are exported to Europe, America, South America, Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia, and other places. ANKA has won the world's recognition at professional exhibitions in Dubai, the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, Iran, etc. ANKA, through its industry-leading production base and advanced production equipment, is a professional, high-quality integrated material supply. ANKA's professional technical research and development personnel, highly qualified management personnel, and skilled production workers use their powerful technology and rich experience in the security field, combining advanced technology and product design with customers' actual business needs to provide their customers and partners with specialized products and technical consultation, project consulting, OEM customized service cooperation, and perfect after-sales service allowing service guarantee. This delivers improved partner competitiveness and user satisfaction. With a service concept of do with heart to touch customers, ANKA provides customers with ideal products and services, seeks to engage with customers to develop their products together, and builds a comfortable and a peaceful social environment for the protection of people's safety.
发展，因直觉定生活的质量。我们坚持最初的理想，我们拥有不变的初心。高品质人性化是我们设计理念，用心做，然后感动是我们不变的追求。我们团结一心，携手前行，矢志不渝，共创明天。创安家是我家，成就你我他。
ANKA is committed to protecting people's safety as its responsibility.